Creating a virtual card is more easier than you thought. All you need to do is search for YoMoney on Google or use yomoney.ru and access this website. But before that, let me show you the virtual card, how it looks. This is my own. Let me show you how it looks before I take you through the process of creating yours. It's very simple. As you can see right here, we have your virtual card, and if I click on view, I'll be able to get the details and sign up to any services I want. So it's very simple. All you need to do is to search for YoMoney on Google or visit their website, yomoney.ru. It's a Russian website, but don't worry, no matter what country you are in, you'll be able to get this free virtual credit card. So once you are here, they have an app. It's on Play Store and App Store, but don't worry, if you don't have the app, you can use their website. Click on this sign up at the top right corner right here, and this page pops up. Once you see this page, you need to select your country code by tapping on this right here and scroll down till you see your country code. Once you see your country, the code will be attached to it, so just select it and now input your mobile phone number. Make sure this mobile phone number is working and you can receive calls through it, because they will call and you have to answer before the text will be sent to you for verification. So now click on this next right here. Once you click on that next, it will there are two things that will happen. They will call you with a foreign number. Once they call you, I want you to accept the call. Once you accept the call, they will reject it themselves. When they reject it themselves, they will now send you the code, but you need to request for the code yourself. So you can see right here, it says you can get a new message in 14 seconds. So within this given time or period, they will call you. Make sure you answer it. They will reject it to verify that you're a human. That's why you answer the question, and then you can now click on this get a new text message code right here, and then the real code will now be sent to your SMS, and you can now input this code right here and then click on next. Now you can now click on input your email address next and check your email inbox. Make sure you refresh it and check your internet connection before you refresh it. Once you refresh and you don't see it, that means it will be in your spam folder. Most of the time it's mostly in your spam folder. So just click on this more right here and click on this spam right here, and you can see this first one right here. Copy it and then send it back to the website. The website is in Russian, so if you don't understand Russian, don't worry. All you need to do is just use the Google Translator, which is an extension. So just use it right here and then you can confirm it. Now choose a password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters, 1 Latin or 1 upper or lowercase letter, and also add some variables or special characters to it for it to stand out. As you can see, all these 3 are checked. That means my password follows the criteria you need before you can be accepted. So click on this done right here, and we are almost done. Okay, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. So once you're on the website, you've already gotten your virtual credit card. You don't need to apply for it. All you need to do is view it, load it up with money, and use it for any services you want. Okay, and you also use it for free trials. Okay, so don't worry about it. So as you're on the website, let me just cancel this right now. I don't want to add any money to this account, so I'll not add any money to it. So you can see right here we have your virtual card right here. Just click on it. You can see my expiry date already exposed right here. Once you click on it, there are 2 things that will happen. They will call your number, the mobile number you used in registering. Please answer it. When you answer it, they will reject it before you can now request for the code, like the same process we used during the sign up. And now you can see my credit card info right here. This is my card number, this is my name, and this is my expiry date. I also have my CV right here. I can click on it and see it. So I can now use this and register to Spotify. You can just sign up to Spotify, and when it reaches the payment options you can use to pay for your subscription, you now add your card details, and that's all. And you can also use this to sign up for Netflix. Hope this video helped. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you very much. See you next time.